Also in the packet are comments on Codere Online. The company reported solid Q2 results yesterday. The revenues were pretty much in line with expectations, but adjusted EBITDA was much better. They reported 2.3 million euros, up 77% over the prior year period. That was better than our 0.1 million euros estimate. Importantly, what we look at here is that these results, which were quite strong, if you look at the revenues obviously being in line with expectations, up 0.7% year over year, you would say, well, that didn't look all that inspiring. However, on a constant currency basis, revenues were up a much stronger 12%. Mexico, importantly, which is one of their key growth markets, had a very strong quarter. It was muted again by a 19% devaluation of the peso. The company active customers in Mexico grew by a very strong 36% year over year. And again, revenue was up 23% on a constant currency basis. So very strong underlying trends here. And we're encouraged about that because as we go into the second half of this year, we're going to comp those peso valuations. And so we should look for improving revenue trends in the back half of this year. The company reiterated its guidance for the full year, 228 to, our estimate is about 228 million, 10.5 million euros. We are raising our expectations given the fact that their Q2 came in a little better than what we expected. We are going to take out a little bit of that. We're not going to give it all to our full year expectations. We're going to take out a little bit of that, just be a little bit more conservative. But our estimates are going to be within the management's guidance of 220 million to 230 million euro revenue and 10 million to 15 million euro adjusted EBITDA. And again, we're raising our expectations to 11.6 million euro adjusted EBITDA. Company also increased its cash position in the quarter, 45.2 million euro. That was up from 40.5 million in December. And that's in spite of buying back some stock in the quarter. They bought back $700,000 worth of stock in the quarter. So bottom line here is the company's got a very nice cash position. They have the ability to repurchase stock, of course, pursue acquisitions, or increase their investment spend, which we think the company is eyeing as they kind of look at the next steps after Mexico. The company's stock is really cheap. We think 1.5 times enterprise value to our 2026 revenue forecast. That's well below its peers, trading at 2.6 times. We think our estimate of 2.4 target multiple is reasonable, and that gives us a $14 target. So in light of that, we believe the stock is very compelling, and we reiterate our outperform rating on Codere Online.